Welcome to our step-by-step guide on filing business taxes. Whether you are a small business owner or just getting started, understanding how to file your taxes can feel overwhelming. The key to making the process easier is to stay organized throughout the year and to be aware of your tax obligations. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through gathering the right records, choosing the correct tax form, maximizing deductions, and filing your taxes. Let's dive right in. Gathering your records and understanding tax obligations. The first step in filing your business taxes is to gather all your important documents. Having accurate records of your income and expenses is essential. This includes your income statements, expense receipts, and bank statements. You will also need your employer identification number or social security number for filing. Keep last year's tax return handy to ensure consistency in your filings. Understanding the taxes you need to file depends on your business structure and location. Most businesses will need to file federal taxes, such as income tax, and may also be required to file state taxes. The type of taxes owed varies. For instance, income tax is based on your net income, and if you are self-employed, you'll also need to account for self-employment taxes, covering Social Security and Medicare contributions. Choosing the right tax form and maximizing deductions. Choosing the correct tax form depends on your business structure. For example, if you're a sole proprietor or a single-member LLC, you'll file your business taxes as part of your personal tax return using Schedule C. If you're a corporation or an LLC taxed as one, you'll file Form 1120, while partnerships will use Form 1065. Maximizing deductions is also a great way to reduce your taxable income. The IRS allows deductions for expenses that are considered necessary for operating your business. This includes office supplies, marketing costs, travel expenses, employee salaries, and more. If you operate a home office, you may be eligible for a home office deduction. Certain industries have specific deductions, so be sure to consult with a tax professional or use IRS publications to ensure you're not missing out. Filing your taxes electronically or e-filing is the fastest and most efficient method. Not only does it allow you to submit your return quickly, but it also reduces the chance of errors since many e-filing platforms include built-in error checks. Popular platforms like TurboTax, H&R Block, and the IRS Free File program are available to help you file your return smoothly. Once you have filed your return, the next step is to pay your tax bill. To calculate how much you owe, subtract your deductions from your total income. If you're a sole proprietor, your tax rate is based on individual income tax rates. Corporations are taxed at a flat rate of 21%. You can pay your tax bill electronically through the IRS Direct Pay or by mailing a check. It's important to meet tax deadlines to avoid penalties. Most businesses must file by April 15th, but check with your state for any additional requirements. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.